Okay, so it snowed like a lot last night. Like those are, yeah, cause I'm videotaping. That's why. Look, there's Dolly. Hi. I can barely see you. No, it's like completely dark. You can't see anything. I can see the TV behind you. That's it. Look at the little birdhouse full of snow. That, my friend, is the barbecue. Although you cannot recognize it. It's snowing really hard, so it's like all in my face. Just to give you an idea. I don't know if you can see that, but it's snowing pretty hard. There's people, you know, scraping off the snow and stuff. Quite the chore in the morning in Chicago. It's about a foot of snow, and it's just snowing and snowing and snowing.